Hello everyone. Now we will perform the experiment of class 12th Mohar salt. The preparation of 100 ml MY20 solution of Mohar salt.
So let's start the practical. So here we have a digital balance, a watch glass, a conical flask. This is the standard flask, a funnel, test tube, a dropper, a spatula, and this is a small salt, ammonium ferrous sulfate, dilute sulfuric acid, and distilled water. Now, preparation of 100 ml M/20 solution of Mohar salt. Theory: molecular mass of Mohar salt FeSO4 dot NH4 whole twice to SO4 dot 6H2O 392. Here is the molecular weight of Mohar salt. Ammonium ferrous sulfate Mohar salt is 392. So hence for preparing 1000 ml of 1 m Mohar salt solution, Mohar salt required 392 gram for 1 m. Now we are preparing 100 ml. So preparing 100 ml of M/20 Mohar salt solution, we required, we have the molecular weight of Mohar salt 392 divided by 1000 into, we have to make the 100 ml into 1/20, we get 1.96 gram for 100 ml. So this is the calculation. We will get 1.96 gram. So we will measure. We put the watch glass on the weight balance digitally. Here we get the reading 21.57 gram. So this is the mass of watch glass. So here we have measure the watch glass mass 21.57 gram. Now we will add weight of Mohar salt is that 1.96 gram. So we'll weight it, and we have to measure 23.53 grams. Here is the mass of watch glass 21.57 plus 1.96 gram is equal to 23.53 grams. So the digital balance, the reading should be 23.53 grams. Here you can see we have measured, we have weighted 23.53 grams. Now we will transfer it in a standard flask which we have taken 100 ml. With the help of funnel, here you can see we have 100 ml conical flask. This is the standard flask. Now we will transfer the Mohar salt with the help of funnel in the conical flask. Now we will wash it, the watch glass, thoroughly. Now we will add dilute sulfuric acid in a half test tube. So why we add dilute sulfuric acid in a Mohr salt? Because to prevent its hydrolysis and to make solution clear and transparent. Now we will dissolve it all the salts which we have transferred in a standard flask. We will shake it well until unless the salt will not be dissolved. We will add distilled water to the measuring flask carefully up to just below the attached mark on its neck with the help of wash bottle. Add the last few drops of distilled water with the help of dropper until the lower level of the meniscus just touches the mark of measuring flask. Stopper the measuring flask and shake it gently to make solution homogeneous. For example, uniform throughout, and label it the Mohr salt M/20. It's a solution. Here you can see this is the Mohr salt M/20 solution.